This is how my mom got me to get to eat my veggies. Wow, look at this. Today I'm making a Lao dish called Soop Phak. Wow, look at that. You're not gonna find this at many restaurants. If you do, maybe in California, here and there. It's really fun to eat, and look at all those greens. So you can use any kind of greens you want. And here I got some Beech Mushroom, Shiitake, Oyster Mushroom, Morning Glory. I'm gonna roast some pepper, some shallots, some ginger. So I have some mustard greens here. And the long beans, mak tua. So you steam or boil the veggies. It's gonna be spicy, gonna be pungent, savory, salty, umami. Stuff like this you're gonna have to make it at home. With that being said, let's get started. All my veggies now, and then we're gonna steam it, okay? You can use any kind of veggies you want. It's a good way to get rid of all the veggies if you have like a lot and you don't want it to go bad. I'm gonna clean and wash it well. Sometimes there may be bugs in there, dirt inside the crevices. A lot of time they have pesticides, so you don't want to eat that. You don't want to harm your body. So it's good to try to get organic. Just cut it to your desired size. I like to cut it on a bias like that. This top part is gonna wilt, so I like to cut the bok choy in half like that. There's different kind of mustard greens, so I just use whatever that's available. Hard to find sometimes. Some pakat too. I'm just gonna steam them in layers. So you can steam it or you can boil it. These are just gonna stack. Cooking time varies. It depends on how well done you want your veggies, okay? Alright, I have the water here. Stacking on top. There's my veggies. My next layer, I have my second layer, my mushrooms and my long bean. You could do it in any order you want. About like 5 to 7 minutes through, I'm gonna give it a flip. Just do. Cooking time varies, okay? I like mine to be on the softer side. You always can just taste one. Oh, that looks amazing. Pop of color. So I'm gonna air fry these. I have sliced ginger, garlic cloves, pepper, and shallots. 375 at 10 minutes. I'm gonna transfer this into this bowl. And the rest will continue cooking. What a way to get all your greens, guys. This is good for potlucks, dinner parties. Let that rest. The next layer, I have Asian eggplant and morning glory. Looks good. I want to smash this in the pestle and mortar. I took my mushroom out first so it doesn't overcook. Put this in the pestle and mortar. If you don't have this, just use a blender, okay, guys? I like to use the end of the middle to smash it against it so this pepper doesn't fly in my eye. And there you have it. Bring the water to a boil of Padaek. You can use fish too if you want. I have a teaspoon of MSG. I have my pepper paste here. I'm just gonna throw that in. Let me shut off the heat. Ooh, that's spicy. Here's the finished product. Soop Phak. Ooh, look at that. Looks so good. And there, sprinkle some ginger. Wow, look at that. I'm eating Soop Phak today. A steam or boil veggie dish. So if you guys see me on live earlier, I made this earlier. This is Soop Phak. It's like steamed veggies, or you can boil it. Then you just season it with spices and herbs, some pepper paste and herb. This right here is the morning glory right here. Very flavorful. This is how my mom got me to eat my veggies. This is Asian eggplant. So good. See the toasted sesame seed? Hanging on to that. I like the long bean. They will call it maktoa. It has like roasted pepper paste, which has like lemongrass, chilies, shallots. So really healthy. I'm gonna put mushroom in there. Shout out to Lao Nation. It was really fun to be on their New Year parade float. Good way to get your veggie. Soop Phak, mustard green. That was water spinach actually. Sap. Bok Choy, spicy. And I'm gonna grab a piece of the ginger. This is getting spicy, guys. Woo! This looks like it's not hot, but it's really hot. It has like pepper paste in here, sesame seeds, and this is steamed veggies, or you can boil it. It's almost like if you had lap before, that's what it almost like, but a veggie version. So delicious, comforting. This is a good way to get all in your veggies. And this is a good way, like if your veggies gonna go bad, you should make this. So this is a way to get rid of all the veggies. I really like the morning spinach. So the piece of the mushroom. Piece of the mushroom here. These veggies are either steam or blanch. You drain it and then you season it with like fermented fish sauce, MSG, fish sauce, and the toasted sesame seeds gets it like an aromatic aroma. You have water spinach, mustard greens, long bean. Very, very healthy. Good way to get in all your veggies. Here's the morning glory. Slices of ginger. Ooh. This is the mustard green. Wow, it's getting really spicy, guys. There's a lot of texture going on here. Salty, savory, umami. This would be perfect for beer food. Shout out to Lao Nation. I was on their float for the Lao New Year. So if you guys want to check out the documentary, it's already up now on my YouTube. Just click on the link here to check it out, okay? So thank you, John. One of the Bok Choy. Flavorful. This is the Asian eggplant, guys. Really good. The veggies are blanched. They're soft, but they're still soft and tender, but still has a little crunch at the end. It's so flavorful, and you have all the seasoning hanging onto it. It is so good. All right, if you guys want to learn this, I have it on my YouTube channel, or I have the written recipe, the ingredients in my description. So you want to learn more channel? Click on my channel right here on my YouTube. I have a whole bunch of tutorials so you guys can check that out. But thanks for hanging out. I'm going to answer a couple questions before I go. This is part of my summer recipes. This would make really good beer food. If you want to learn how to make this, head on to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, with that being said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.